Are you looking for the best 3D printer extruders for all filaments? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer extruders for all filaments on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Genuine E3D Hammerer 1.75mm 24V Direct Kit. The E3D Hammerer is one of the most powerful extruders available on the market today. It uses a dual drive gear system that gives you almost 100 N of pushing force on the filament, allowing for high extrusion rates without stripping the filament. The high pushing force makes the Hemera a great 3D printer extruder for large 3D printers that require high flow rates. It comes with a T-slot mounting system that lets you easily design and mount the extruder on virtually any 3D printer. Moreover, it is compatible with the whole system of E3D hot ends and nozzles. The E3D Hammerer is available in both direct and Bondtech extruder setups, making it difficult to find a 3D printer that it does not work with. Regardless of whether you already use the E3D ecosystem, the E3D Hammerer 3D printer extruder is great if you are looking for a reliable and high-performance cold end. At number 2. Genuine Bontec BMG Extruder. The Bontec BMG extruder is a geared 3D printer extruder with a gearing ratio of 3:1. It is designed to be compact while still offering you excellent grip on the filament. The extruder weighs only 75 grams, 0.16 lbs, making it one of the lightest extruders available. It has an adjustable tensioner system that lets you fine-tune the tension of the drive gears on the filament. It gives you complete control over the filament feed and is compatible with multiple materials. Its quick-release mechanism, too, is designed for fast material swaps, bringing down your printer operation times. The extruder comes with an SLS printed housing that guarantees strength and precision. Its most notable drawback is its lack of compatibility with 2.85mm filaments, but considering that 1.75mm filament is the standard nowadays, that won't be a problem for most users. If you're looking for a compact, lightweight solution for your Delta or other high-speed printer, the Bontec BMG is probably the best 3D printer extruder for you. At number 3. E3D Titan Universal Extruder. The E3D Titan is another compact geared extruder designed for fast printing speeds. It comes with a translucent case design that gives it a unique look, and its durable materials make it a highly reliable extruder. The Titan extruder comes with a 3:1 gear ratio, similar to the Bontec extruder. One big difference is that the Titan is also compatible with 2.85mm filaments, which makes it a truly versatile 3D printer extruder. Another difference is that the gears on the E3D Titan have a self-cleaning tooth profile, so you don't have to worry about any ground-up filament getting stuck. You can expect high print quality at low layer heights and minimized issues during extensive retraction cycles. The Titan extruder is compatible with many RepRap 3D printers and is known for its simplicity and high-quality extrusion. It is an excellent alternative to the Bontec extruder, albeit a bit heavier. If you can stand the extra weight, the E3D Titan will give you excellent results at a comparatively lower price. At number 4. MicroSwiss Direct Drive Extruder. The Ender 3 is one of the most popular and widely used 3D printers. However, it comes with a Bowden extrusion setup that limits its material compatibility. The MicroSwiss extruder solves this by giving you a plug-and-play direct extruder system for the Ender 3. The MicroSwiss extruder setup comes with an all-metal hot end, brass nozzle and a bracket that lets you easily install the extruder on your Ender 3. It has a lightweight aluminum body and CNC machined gears to allow precise and predictable extrusion. The spring-loaded tensioner arm lets you adjust the filament grip and enables you to load the filament quickly. You get a detailed guide that helps you throughout the installation process, ensuring you get everything right. However, you'll need to do some tweaking to get the best print results with this setup. Overall, the MicroSwiss extruder is an excellent Ender 3 upgrade that lets you print with different filaments and helps you get an improved print quality. At number 5. BIQU H2 version 2.0 Dual Gear Extruder. The BIQU H2 is a dual gear extruder system with a high temperature hot end. It has a 7:1 gear ratio on the extruder, offering you a superior grip on the filament with a relatively small stepper motor. You get stainless steel gears precisely machined to reduce filament jams and prevent hot end clogging issues. The extruder body includes a streamlined heat dissipation structure that directs the heat away from the nozzle, easily letting you print for extended hours at high temperatures. It is designed to be fitted on most hobbyist 3D printers like the Creality, NiCubic, and Bondtech machines. The BIQU is a well-built hot end, and at a price of less than $100, it offers excellent value by giving you high-temperature printing capabilities with a direct extruder setup. It is ideal for users who want a good quality extruder hot end setup at a budget price.